he actually has a hole in his RainFly, so he's gonna patch that up. All right, Crash, what are you doing?
Preparing my repair tape for my Cuban Fiber RainFly that I apparently poked a hole in. You can kind of see it. It's camouflaged. It's a pretty good sized hole. So I'm gonna use my shirt and just kind of dry off the surface. I got 4 little patches here. And what I'm gonna want to do is make sure we get that fabric kind of back in its original home. Something like that. And then peel and stick. I'm gonna flip the tarp over, and there's that hole right there. I'm gonna peel and stick. Trying to make sure we get the whole thing. Looks like that's it. So there we go. Patch, good as new. Just a half a milligram heavier now.
Take it back. It weighs too much now.
Can't hike with this weight.
So, did you like the video? Is this something that you could see yourself doing, or maybe you've actually done it before? Let me know in the comments. I'm kind of curious. And I'm Coach Bill 305. And if you enjoy content like this, where I'm out there backpacking and doing crazy adventures, you might consider subscribing and maybe click on these videos over here, more extra packed videos. And again, I'm Coach Bill 305. Nice to meet you, and I hope that you subscribe. Yeah, buddy.